G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 18 Murray Road, in the popular and centrally located suburb of Urraween. As usual, there's a bit to take in and the sun's even coming out. Let's go take a look around. This lovely inner suburban oasis was completed in 2017 and is perfectly positioned on a low maintenance 400 square metre allotment, making it the perfect home base to return to between your nomadic travels. Astute investors will know it's always about location, 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 and Hervey Bay is still one of the fastest growing regions in Queensland and experiencing a tight rental vacancy rate of less than 1%, making this home a sound investment opportunity as well. This home is located in the highly sought after master plan community of Augustus in the popular suburb of Urraween. You will enjoy the lifestyle and the convenience that comes with having essential amenities all nearby, including shopping centres, schools, hospitals, golf course, esplanade, beach, and everything else that makes Hervey Bay great. Upon entering, you are immediately drawn to that vast open plan dining and living area, which does form the heart of this light-filled home. Enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that create something special with an intuitive and creative floor plan. The stylish modern kitchen does form the heart of this home and features lovely stone bench tops, loads of storage drawers, a breakfast bar and a pantry. Quality appliances include an electric oven, and as we have plumbed natural gas to the premise, we've got a 4-burner gas cooktop with a range hood, and there's a dishwasher as well, making it ideal for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and those special occasions. There is an intuitive media station or study nook located in the main living area as well, which is perfect for accommodating all of today's technology. This lovely home utilises its space perfectly with that vast open plan indoor dining and living area, seamlessly connecting with that alfresco outdoor entertaining area under the main roof, again with a natural gas barbecue connection point, overlooking the private backyard with established low maintenance lawns and gardens. This is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. There is also a separate media room where you'll be able to kick back, relax, and enjoy your favourite television series along with the latest movie releases. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on that reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across the main open plan dining and living area. This home does include 3 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite with a vanity shower and toilet. The bathroom includes a shower, a bath and a vanity, as well as the toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. And those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the oversized double garage with a remote panel lift door, and you've got direct internal access into the home. Homes at this price point and in this location are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.